tubular, mano. Formação tubular.
Maharaj, 24 gurus.
Yeah.
So what is the teaching? The ocean. Ocean, he also told
He never
ocean.
increase or decrease, always the same. Like when all the river comes during the rainy season, it stays the same. And when it's very hot and water evaporates, they also stay the same.
There Vishwanath Chakravarti, two things are there. Teaching from ocean. One is that is called Gambhirata. He is very grave.
Gambhira, right?
Gambhir. Ocean always very grave.
Yeah.
And second, he does not
Grandioso. Você é
to
grandioso.
cross the Marjada. Marjada means
Yes, the shore.
Você não consegue
English Marjada.
cruzar
Marjada means
Maryada
dignity. You know?
dignidade.
Rules.
Rules. Yes.
Rules.
As regras.
Yeah.
Dignity? No?
Maryada means
When
follow the rules. Yeah.
follow this man. No, English what is? I think dignity. D-I-G-N-T-Y. Not cross the
Rules.
rule. Okay, anyhow, that's Sanskrit word that got dignity. Or the Marjada.
Maryada. Yes.
Marjada.
Yeah, Marjada. Yeah. The waves are coming, big waves, look, there. And when touching the shore and
Yeah.
return back. So in the same way, devotee have to Gambhir,
Be very grave
very grave.
and
Maharaj, still with socks, huh? He's still with socks, huh?
Yeah, I have socks. Then big problem. Without socks, no problem.
Me too, Maharaj. Still use socks.
You have to be very grave and also very
Because
fixed in following rules.
Srimad Bhagavad explained also that 26
sombreiro,
qualifications of the Vaishnavas.
Yeah.
One qualification also Gambhirata.
Gambhira.
Gambhirata. Gambhirata means be grave. This thing.
Gambhirata greatness.
No, grave. G-R-A-V.
Graveness.
Yes, grave.
Grave.
Deep like an ocean.
I know. Grave.
And enter in the deep philosophy, calm and quiet. This is
Okay.
What does it mean this to come back? Just
Huh?
what does it mean this to come back? To go and come back.
This is the
ocean.
Marja. The ocean is never to
Doesn't cross the shore.
just to this.
There's a limit.
So,
That's the beach. Going.
Sometimes with storm.
É o litoral.
That is that is called the
Exception.
exception. Always not. And gopis. Hey, when Uddhav met with the gopis, they saw Uddhav look like Krishna. Yeah. But when gopis they absorbed in the Mahabhav, that time they also embraced the tamal trees.
Yes.
They think this is Krishna.
Yeah.
Because tamal trees also blackish, Krishna also blackish.
Yes. Without
Yeah.
all-
Hey.
Tô falando.
So, but when gopis they saw to Uddhava, they did not embrace to him. Because prem also, love also, that one kind of marjada is there. Rule, you following the rules and regulations. Prem, love never to destroy their own marjada.
Yes.
And this own rules and regulations. And when extreme position, that time other thing. But generally, prem, love, follows the rules and regulations. You get different love. People are thinking, oh, love no making any no rules.
Yes. This
But
conception in the West. Conception in the West.
Yeah.
If you love, you have no rules.
no rules. This is not true. Yeah. Where Shastra also somewhere speaking, love not following the rules. But that is the another sense.
It's not with the
Love
rules.
not.
Yeah.
Love not depends. The rules means not depend on any cause. That than thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. The cause. This is so for this regard. The Sanskrit word the using love never following any rules.
It doesn't follow the rules of society.
Society.
Yes.
That
But
is
it has
another
its
thing.
own rules.
It has its own rules. But that's the stage of Mahabharata.
Where you don't follow rules.
Sita Devi, she follows the rules. Then this love is. But Gopi's prem, there is an extraordinary prem. Prakita and extraordinary. So for this regard, Gopis they don't follow the rules of the society. Ja duscharya sajana arya patancha hitva hejun mukunda padavi shruti bhi vivigga. Ja duscharya, means very rare to give up the rules and regulations of the society for the ladies.
Yeah. It is considered very sinful in India.
India not, this is a Vedic
Be
culture.
careful, Maharaj.
This is Vedas also explain this. But Gopis they gave up only for their Mahabharata stage. Otherwise not. So that the Vishwanath will give an example. The ocean.
Yeah.
Ocean also follows
Rules.
rules. But when ocean will come in Mahabharata,
Overflow.
overflow.
Tsunami.
Then also are destroyed.
Destroy everything. The gopis who had children, they couldn't go to Rasalila because Mahababa, they haven't attended Mahababa.
Who?
Gopis,
Who
Those
has
gopis-
children?
yeah,
Those
those gopis
Or mothers, the mothers.
no, they
who had babies.
they attend Mahabharata, but they, as Vishwanath Chakraborty Pad explained,
No
they
proper training.
little bit ascetic, they are not attending the Anurag,
Anurag.
deep Anurag.
Okay, after Mahabharata.
If you are not deep Anurag towards Krishna, Yogmaya are not allowed.
So when the Sadaka he takes birth in Krishna Lila on the earth, he's not necessarily on this stage of Anurag. He still has to take training.
So for this Gopi Anugatta. Only when they take birth in the Braj, after taking birth in the Braj, they have to associate the Nitya Parikas.
Yeah.
Without associating Nitya Parikas, what is called? The Anurag not will come.
So this process following Guru in your Sadaka form, and then also taking instruction from the Gopi in your Nitya
Nitya
form.
Siddhas Parikas, yes.
There's always training.
Yes,
Never.
always.
Yeah. Like you said yesterday when Srinivas,
Acharya.
yes, he got the pearl, the nose ring.
Yeah.
He didn't give directly to Radhika. He gave to
He gave to his Gurudev.
Yes.
Then he gave to his Gurudev.
Yes.
Then he gave to
Rupa Goswami.
Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari he gave to Lalita Devi.
Yes, not directly.
This is the process.
Yes. So same as in the Sadaka form, when we offer something to Guru, Guru gives to his Guru,
Hey.
to his Guru. Like
Yeah, Guru is a Diksha Guru, Siksha Guru. This is the same time. If the Diksha Guru is not in this material world, you know, not physically here, then have to take shelter one bhajan Shiksha Guru.
Yeah.
You have to take shelter one bhajan Shiksha Guru, same like-minded of your Diksha Guru.
I asked
Yeah.
once, I asked to Madhav Maharaj, can I find someone like Gurudev?
Yeah?
I asked Madhav Maharaj, can I find someone like Gurudev? He said not possible.
Not possible.
That's what he said.
No. Maybe what did he say? I don't know. But he said, you have to get the same mood of Gurudev.
Simple.
Yes. Same mood. But
Some controversy.
same Gurudev levels you cannot get. Because
Careful,
everything
Maharaj.
is unique.
Yeah.
You understand?
Everything is
You cannot get Rupa Manjari. You cannot get Rati Manjari. Because they are moody there. But because here Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained in this way, the variety is the what is called main thing in our spiritual world, even material world. Variety.
They say variety is the spice of life.
Variety is the important because very rare you can get same as it is as, you know,
Yes.
100% you can get, very rare. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad gave an example as the many leaves in the tree,
Yes.
but you can see one leaf to another leaf, you cannot see the same. Must be somewhere little bit difference.
Yes.
Because the variety is there. Because this Krishna's, this nature to he enjoying the variety. Variety. But sometimes also very rare. So if not variety, so why you use this word Sajatyatta? Then Vishwanath Chakravarti, Sajatya, understand?
The mood.
Like-minded, how do why
Like-minded.
use it as like-minded?
Because he has the same
Same thing.
goal.
That
same
is-
goal,
that time-
rasa.
That time given an example, Jatha Ghurnavat, using this word, the logical term, Jatha Ghurnavat. Ghurnavat means one kind of small insects.
Yes. Oh,
They
yeah.
are staying in the rice.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
1 year, 2 years, people they are keeping the rice. Then inside the rice, small insects also coming. So when people they also separate the rice, that time that small insects they are walking. When they are walking, they also on the floor they are making one
Egg.
letter. You know, A B C D. But they are they are not thinking make the letter, but accidentally
Yeah.
happen.
Uma letra.
Understand?
Elas desenham uma letra acidentalmente. Elas não pensam nisso.
In the
Elas só
same
estão
way,
trabalhando.
Sajatyatta is saying this way, but very rare, accidentally come.
What do you mean accidental?
Accidentally, this worm, small worm, walking on the floor, he does not know to make the letter.
Yes.
But accidentally make one letter, A, B, C, D, something like that.
Yes. But how can devotee like not know what mood?
But the Krishna will arrange. Accidentally,
Oh.
very rare. You can say Rup Manjari is mood, Rati Manjari is mood. Not 100%
Same.
same.
Yes.
Not possible. Rup Manjari, he makes one garland. Rati Manjari makes one garland. Not same. Somewhere must be little bit
Different.
different. So Sajatyatta, so Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in this slokas, just Sajatyatta means very rare. There is something which coming there. Must be some what is called?
Sameness.
No. Some things also difference will come.
Yes.
You cannot say the 100% my mind, your mind will be 100% same. It is impossible. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. This is the problem. 100% not. Maybe 90%, 99% you can say. Sajatyatta will come. But 100% not possible. And possible is that the Jogmaya arranged. That is called accidental.
Yeah.
You read Vishwanath Chakravarti this commentary in Rasalila.
In chapter of Rasa Lila.
Yeah, chapter of Rasa Lila, the commentary of Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explains this Sajatya. At the slope also there, all the gopis, they were perform Ras dance with Krishna, different Lila with their own group. They are using this Sajatya. Then according to the context Sajatya, the Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, he gave the commentary. Yeah, what is the meaning of Sajatya? That this use this word proverb, Jatha Ghurnavat. Ghurna means one kind of insect, gun, you know. That
Gun.
is.
What's the word, Maharaj? Sorry.
Huh?
The word that you said.
Jatha Ghurnavat.
Yata means as,
Jatha means as. Ghurna means one kind of insects.
and like.
Yeah, you know. But sometimes you can for the wood, one kinds of insects, they are making the hole.
Yes.
Cupim, yeah.
Yeah, making the hole, many holes.
Cupim, we call it cupim in Portuguese.
And but suddenly they are making one letter is there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this example has given. Oh, we come here.
Yeah, we come far today, Maharaj.
Sometimes we are coming here also.
Yeah.
Come again, return back.
Or we cannot cross the mountain. Some devotees now, I don't, this is not I heard. They say that you can only give the mood of Gurudev if you you can only give the mood of Gurudev if you were direct disciple.
Direct disciple.
Yes, they
So
say
Vishwanath
that.
Chakravarti, he is what you got. Baladev Vidyabhasan is not direct disciple of
That's
Vishwanath
what I said.
Chakravarti.
Narottam Das
Who gave Vishwanath Chakravarti by mood to us? Who gave? What is it called? Baladev Vidyabhasan. Baladev Vidyabhasan Prabhu. So they are saying they are stupid. No, they don't know Tattva Siddhanta.
But then they give so many ras katha.
Or who gave? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not make any disciples.
No.
So how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave his mood to Rupa Goswami? You can ask. Those who are saying they are stupid nonsense. They have no Tattva Siddhanta. Huh? Mahaprabhu.
I won't say anything. I'm just.
Yeah. No, you have to defeat. But you are stupid nonsense. You have no Tattva Siddhanta. Madhavendra Puripad, first the sprout of Prem manifested in the heart of Madhavendra Puripad.
Yes.
Then Madhavendra Puripad, he gave Ishwar Puripad.
Yes.
Okay, disciple Guru coming.
Yes.
Then
Ishwara
Ishwar Puripad, he gave to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Yes.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then, how will get this Prem?
Yes.
How will get this? Chaitanya
Yes.
Mahaprabhu did not make any disciple.
Then it will be cut.
Then cut.
Yes.
So how will get this Prem?
Yes.
Radha Prem. High Prem.
And also Chaitanya Charitamrita says that Shiksha Guru is sometimes more important than Diksha Guru.
Actually, these things also explain in what is called Bilamangal Thakur slokas in Sri Krishna, what is his name? Krishna Karnamrita. There one the slok is there, the 104 slokas. That slok is also there. What is the slok? Just I forget. Prema dancha me, kama dancha me, vedanancha me, vedana paraha. They are glorified about Siksha Guru. But that Siksha Guru, same level of Diksha Guru. That time also explained, you see, you can read this slokas commentary of Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Saranga Rangada Tika. The commentary of Saranga Rangada Tika. They explain in this way,
Very good.
that time you cannot hire, that is called speciality of Siksha Guru.
Yes.
Because Bilamangal Thakur in the first slok explain, Chintamanir Jayati Soma Guru Gurur me, Siksha Gurusya Bhagavan Sikipincha Mauli. He are saying Siksha Guru, who is my Siksha Guru? Sikipincha Mauli Krishna himself.
Yes.
Chintamani, she is my Vartma Pradarshak Guru,
Yes.
who leads
Introduce.
the path of bhakti.
Yes.
This is true. Chintamani, she told, you have to go Vrindavan.
Yes.
So that means she introduce how to go Vrindavan and get the Braj Raganuga Bhakti. This is true. But my Siksha Guru,
It's
eh,
Krishna.
Krishna.
Who was
Chintamani.
Somagiri?
Somgiri, Pillamangal Thakur, he took Diksha from Somgiri. He Diksha.
After Chintamani or
No,
before?
no, no.
Before.
Pillamangal Thakur, he was Brahman.
He was Brahman.
He was Brahman. Actual Brahman tradition, this is there. Indian tradition also this is there. And if you take birth in any caste, you have to take Diksha from any Guru.
Yes.
But mostly now he
Kula.
is taking Diksha from the Kula Guru.
Kula Guru.
But here is a Bilamangal Thakur, he was Brahman and high class also devotee. Then he took Diksha from Somogiri.
Okay.
So Somgiri, he is Diksha. And Somgiri also he was Vaishnava, not Mayavadi Guru.
Oh,
Where is Vishwanath, original Krishnadas Kaviraj
he explains.
explained this way. But he did not mention which Vaishnava. Sri
Which
Sampradaya,
Sampradaya?
Madhya Sampradaya.
Yes.
He did not mention this way. But he was Vaishnava Guru, Sadguru. He received Diksha mantra from Sadguru. This is true. So saying this, Chintamanir Jayati Somo Guru Gurur me Siksha Guruscha Bhagavan Sikhvincha Mouli. Bhagavan is my Siksha Guru.
He, like Chaitya Guru, is guiding you.
Oh,
The,
Chaitya Guru.
Yes.
Chaitya Guru,
He's also
who-
Shiksha
he
Guru.
also Siksha Guru.
Yes. He's
Yeah.
guiding you to
Yeah.
the right person.
And that is called as a Guru Tattva this way, that is called the Mahanta Guru.
Mahanta. Yeah.
That same Guru manifested in front of you, Chaitya Guru manifested in front of you as the Diksha Guru.
Sometimes it take.
Yeah.
It may take some time though.
This is Krishna Deja, same Guru.
This is his pastime.
Yeah.
And this Vatma Padaksha Guru can be a Kanista Vaishnava.
Yes, mostly Bhartamadasa Guru, they are Kanishta Vaishnava.
Yes.
Kanishta. This is the thing. They don't know. Just think, oh, here is many sadhus coming, please come.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Giving some
What we do,
invitation
huh?
card.
Invitation card, please come.
So that's
But
why-
you cannot say all the Chaitya, what is it, Bhartamadasa Guru, Kanishta Adhikari, you cannot say.
No.
General way, mostly Bhartamadasa Guru is
Okay.
called the Kanishta Adhikari. Maybe Madhyam Adhikari, those who are preaching. So, oh, Gurudev has come, please take Diksha from Diksha. So,
So he's not a Guru like the Guru, Diksha Guru, Shiksha Guru is different kind. Different.
Siksha Guru should be same level of Diksha Guru.
Very elevated.
Elevated, yeah, there should be. So your question is that this sometimes Siksha Guru is higher than Diksha Guru. That means some kind of their, what is called, Prema Paripati. Prema Paripati, when a Siksha Guru, he gives an instruction how to the proper way and sentiments mood serve to Krishna. As like Brajanath and Vijay Kumar. They took Diksha from one Guru, but they took Siksha, Bhajan Siksha from Jagannath Puri, their Babaji Maharaj. And he explained all Rasa Tattva, everything.
And their guru send them to
Yes,
Jagannath.
yes. As like our Narottam Samananda Srinivas,
Jiva Goswami.
they took Diksha from different Guru,
Yeah.
but all they took Siksha from
Jiva Goswami.
Jiva Goswami. This is the
CD Maharaj.
what is called this?
CD. I don't know the name of the species.
Crab.
Yeah, it's a crab, yeah.
Like he go like this and it pinch you.
Yeah, be
Yeah,
careful.
we'll cut.
It cuts you. He's afraid because
Yeah.
people they take and they eat them.
Eat.
Yeah.
They
Eat,
cook.
yeah.
They cook, you know.
Cooked and eat.
Yeah.
I are crazy people, but but they do. They eat everything.
Chinese people can eat everything. No problem. Huh?
Yes.
India also, sometimes they are eating, I think so.
Yeah.
Eh?
They call that seafood.
Crabs.
Yeah.
Crab.
Seafood.
Crab.
In India, those who were fishing in the Ganga, they call the fish flowers.
Ram 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 Hare Krishna. One thing, when devotee is Kanishta, then he is acting role of Uttam Adhikari. Do you understand?
He's acting as Uttama. Oh,
Acting
he's thinking.
act thinking, I am Uttam Adhikari.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Uttama Adhikari is thinking, I'm Kanishta.
Yeah, this is true. Because humility is coming.
Yeah.
Madhyam Adhikari, he discriminates.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uttam. Because Kanishta so much, you also enthusiastic coming, no? Utsaha coming in the beginning.
Yes.
Oh,
And
maybe I attend to Krishna.
Now,
So much sentiment.
Maybe, huh?
Krishna has embraced me.
Okay, yes, I told. Stupid nonsense, Krishna embraced you. How possible? Yeah, many devotees also told me. You know, Maharaj, Krishna came and embraced to me. I embraced you. How possible? Your now 9 doors are coming. Bad things. Yeah, so Shastra saying, is step by step, we have to, this life become Madhyam Adhikari. This is enough for
Yes,
you.
this is pretty good.
Yeah,
Gurudev, sometime he was saying, try to come to the stage of Nishtha.
yeah.
Because after Nishtha, very quickly you make advancement.
After Nishtha, actual Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained in this way, Ruchi stage, then you very quickly advance
Ruchi,
your,
yes.
after Ruchi. Nishtha, Ruchi. Because Nishtha, some obstacles are coming.
Yes.
And even
Yeah.
that came in the step, before coming the Nishtha, 5 obstacles are coming. That is called
Liar.
Loy, Vikshep, Apurvati, Kosai,
Yes,
Rasa,
yes,
Sad.
yes,
Loy means sleepiness will come.
Sleepness, you
Loy.
thinking, yeah, sleepness.
Vikshep, mind will be distraction, mind will be disturbed. Loy, Vikshep. Apratipatti, very difficult to concentrate your mind to chant holy name, these things. Loy, Vikshep. Loy, Vikshep, Apratipatti. And Kosai, many kinds of bad impressions disturb your mind. Lust, anger, these things. That is called Kosai. Kosai means
So this-
past bad impressions.
So
Yeah.
these are considered anartha still?
Yes, anartha is there. And
It's not-
then Loy Vikshapati Kosai, Rasa Sadhan, enjoy
Yes.
the
Ras.
different sense gratification in your mind,
You have
not
rasa,
physically.
Yeah, you have rest for
Yeah, yeah.
mundane things in your mind.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
But when sadhak will come in the stage of what is it called? Ruchi. And that time he very quickly also develop
Because taste is there.
taste is there.
Yeah.
Taste. If you are hungry,
Yes. No
and
problem.
appetite, then you get any food, you eat. Just close your eyes and eat.
Just rice.
Yeah. This is the process.
But at that time you will be a madhyam.
Yeah. After Nishtha, actual thing is Shraddha to Nishtha, that is also Kanishta Adhikar. Kanishta's Nishtha coming also. But this Kanishta is Kanishta Uttam, they are called.
Yes, three types.
3
of
stages
Kanishta.
of Kanishta. Kanishta Madhyam, Kanishta
Uttam.
Uttam. Kanishta Uttam means Nishtha. Then Madhyam Adhikari stage coming from Ruchi. Our somewhere also explained in this way, some commentary, some Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad or Bhaktivinoda Thakur. You can see Bhaktivinoda Thakur, that Grantha, Bhakti Tattva Vivek.
Yeah.
Actual Madhyam Adhikari, he is starting his point from Ruchi. Ruchi stage.
So if you still have a taste
A drop
for-
of bhakti, yeah? A second
Again,
drop of bhakti.
That is called the Ruchi. Ruchi means so much taste will come. Listen Hari Katha, Sarv, Guru and Vaishnav. But still Anartha is there.
Still not.
Anartha, different kinds of Anartha. Anartha is coming in the different kinds of Anartha. And Asakti Dasa also Anartha is there. And so this way, because 5 kinds of stages how to remove the Anartha. Ekadashi Vartini, Bahudesha Vartini, Praiki, Purna and Attantiki. Understand? Ekadashi Vartini. In the stage of Shraddha to Nishtha, only one part of anarthas removed from your heart. That's Ekadashi Vartini. Understand? What did I say? Oi, what did I say?
Ele acabou de falar.
No, he has to say.
Listen and understand.
Yes.
What did I say?
Yeah, you told that when you begin from Shraddha to
Shraddha to Nishtha,
Yes.
then
You
one
remove
part
your
of
other
anarthas removed from your heart.
Yeah.
That's Ekadashi Vartini.
Ekadashi.
Maybe 1%, 2%, 5% anarthas removed from your heart. A Ruchi stage, then Bahudesha Vartini. Ruchi to Asakti, that stage, Bahudesha, most part of the anarthas removed from your heart. Removed from your heart.
But there's still some.
Yes.
That is maybe 50, 60%. This is anartha. Then after the Bahudesini, Praiki, almost all your anarthas disappear from your heart at the stage of Roti Dosha. Roti means before enter in the Bhav, Roti Dosha. That time most, what is called?
Practically,
Anath.
Because Bahudesini, Praiki means almost.
almost.
Maybe 1%, 2%.
Left.
But mean
Yeah.
left. Maybe
Dust.
80, what is called? 98%
Yes.
anarthas removed, but maybe 2% anarthas. Asakti Dosha. Roti Dosha. Then Bhav Dosha, Praiki Purna, Purna. Purna means complete.
Complete.
Mean free from anarthas.
That's the thing.
No, Bhava Dosha. Bhava Dosha, but the smell of anartha is in there.
Yeah.
Smell on
I
that.
Smell of
can
anartha.
smell.
Even the Bhava Dosha, there some smell. But what kind of smell of anarthas? That is called the maybe some Vaishnav aparad smell. Vaishnav aparad smell is there. Vaishnav aparad easy not go out. All kinds of anarthas may go out, but the smell of committed offense, lotus feet of Vaishnav, not so easy to go out. Understand? This thing.
But this
It's
is
the last
also-
one.
Yeah.
Then last one, that is called Prema Dasa. When
Prema Dasa.
sadhak, he comes in the stage of Prema Dasa, that is called
Careful.
Attantiki. Attantiki means, what is called?
Totally.
Absolutely free
Absolutely.
from anarthas.
Yes.
Prema Dasa. When sadhak, he comes in the stage of Prema Dasa, then he completely free from all kinds of anarthas. And Prema Dasa very, very rare also.
In the physical body.
In physical body, very, very rare. You not to attend the prema. You have to give up this body
Yeah.
and take birth in Braj
Bhumi Vrindavan.
and Vrindavan, where Krishna Lila is going on also. Not this Bhuma Vrindavan. Where Krishna Lila is going, that
Yeah,
Vrindavan.
but earthly Vrindavan.
Earth Vrindavan. Not now we go Vrindavan.
No, we don't see anything.
and,
Just monkeys.
And Gopi Prem, Maharaj.
then
Gopi Prem.
then coming this Prem Dasa. Then Prem Dasa also not working. That's means you have to associate with Nitya Siddhas Parikar, eternal associator of Krishna, Radha, Lalita, Vishakha.
To perfect yourself, but there's no anartha anymore.
That time is very, very rare, not yet. But he had this Vishwanath Chakravarti again saying you have to first take birth in Navadvip Dham.
First,
Then you will come.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Then you come in Vrindavan.
Not
Without take birth of Navadvip Dham, you cannot come in.
take birth where
Birth in-
Mahaprabhu having Leela.
Yes, where Mahaprabhu's Leela is going on, you have to take birth in there.
Yes.
Then after Mahaprabhu's mercy, then Jogmaya she arranged to how to take birth in Vrindavan, where Krishna Leela is going on. Only remember,
Yes.
Krishna's Prakat Leela, where Krishna Leela. Yeah.
Before going aprakat.
Yeah. This is the process. Yeah.
But Maharaj, sometimes when I hear this, I become afraid that aparad is so strong, even at the stage of bhava, there's still some smell. So you can commit Vaishnava aparad and fall from your stage. Even bhava, you can.
Yes, Vishwanath Chakravarti was saying this. Why Bharat Maharaj, he attained to Bhav Dasa and fell down. And three lives is
Animal form.
3 lives he
He came back.
lost
Yes.
everything.
But
Because he had this saying in this verse, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu, Vishwanath Chakravarti explained, maybe he has some Vaishnava smell of the offense of Vaishnava. Vaishnava some smell. For this regard, Jogmaya she arranged. And that was using the Krishna Lila, Bijriminta Lila, Jogmaya Bijriminta Lila. And because Jogmaya she arranged how to feel.
But can Guru protect the disciple from Vaishnava Aparad if his heart is honest, not willingly committing Vaishnava Aparad?
Guru gives instruction.
Yes.
You have to follow the instruction of Guru.
Yes.
And if you not follow the instruction of Guru and criticize Vaishnava, so what you will do Guru? If you take shelter of Mahabhagavat, your Guru is Mahabhagavat.
Yeah.
But you criticize to Vaishnava, what will do? Guru what will do?
How can
Guru can
protect?
pray to Krishna and Vaishnava. Oh, he is my disciple, don't take
Don't take offense.
offense, give mercy, give mercy. Only Guru can pray.
Like yeah.
What will do? What is his name? Madhavendra Puri Bad disciple?
Oh,
Ramchandra.
Ramchandra.
No, not Ramchandra.
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 Ramchandra Puri.
Ramchandra Puri. He also criticizes Gurudev. Oh Gurudev, you are Brahma. Why you are crying?
You should, yes. Why are you crying?
Brahma, everywhere is Brahma. So
Should be happy.
so Vishwanath, Madhavendra Puri Bad become very angry. तुम्हारे मुख देखिले हमार हवे नरक गति. It is stupid nonsense disciple. You are saying I am Brahma. How possible?
But sometimes I heard that Ramachandra Puri is the incarnation of Jatila.
Yeah. Because they are the parikar. Jatila, Kutila, they are the nature.
To criticize. He
Criticize.
criticized Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Yeah, so he also criticized Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He had written in
Yeah,
the
he
Chaitanya.
You eating too many sweets.
Oh, why they answer here? So must be you are eating the sweet and also keeping sweet.
Yeah.
Are sannyasi should not collect. And he also feeding lot of prasad.
Yes.
You know, he called to Mahaprabhu, come in my house and take prasad. And you prepare many 100 types of preparation. And Mahaprabhu taking prasad, they say, hey, you are sannyasi, why you are taking too much? Look, these types of people also. Feeding and also criticize.
Yeah, you give.
Or same way Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya, he calls to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in his house. And he prepares preparation, many kinds of.
Yes.
Then Mahaprabhu very humble told,
No.
oh, how possible I take this lot of prasad? How possible take? Then Advaita Acharya Prabhu told Prabhu, in Jagannath Puri,
50.
there are all the queens, they came. They also prepare different millions preparation for you. But every second you are taking. This is nothing. Prabhu will take this. Look, here is Advaita Acharya, here is Ramchandra Puri. Advaita Acharya said, Prabhu, this is nothing I am giving to you. Because you are Bhagavan.
And Nityananda Prabhu, he says, I was starving and I'm still starving. You haven't given me anything.
All right.
Hey Krishna.
Maharaj, once I read that it's very, very rare to reach this Prema Dasa. But it's even more rare to reach the Gopi Prem. Can you say something about Gopi Prem?
You can give Gopi Prem, do bhajan and sadhan, anatha, nivritti, and if your potency is there, then by the mercy of Guru and Krishna manifest. But Gopi Prem is very, very rare. This is very rare. But you can get, of course.
But not at the market.
Yeah, you cannot get the market everywhere. Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mati Kriyatang Jidi Kutobi Labbate. Tatrapi Lola Mullo Janmakadi Sukritan Labbate. This is the according to Sukriti, you cannot get this highest Gopi Prem. When your greed will come.
This is Ruchi, no?
No, Prabhu, greed,
No, greed
actual,
from-
what is the greed?
Yes.
Greed that is
woman.
coming from the mercy of Guru and Krishna. Vishwanath Chakravarti Raghavartman Chandrika explain, greed coming the mercy of Guru. That's perfect greed. One day you are greed, next day no greed. That is not the greed.
Yes.
Greed coming from the mercy of Guru and Krishna. And when real greed will come, that the three symptoms. And you have to follow all the 64 limbs of Vaidhi Bhakti in Sadhak Deha. Guru Padasa, Diksha, Siksha, Vishwamitra, this is the process. And second, you have to stay in Braj,
Yes.
not in here Brazil. You go to Vrindavan, Braj. But if you say, oh,
Just a little bit different.
But-
Brazil, Braj.
Brazil, Braj, same.
Almost.
But here is Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, if not physically you can stay in Braj, but you have to stay in Braj with your mind.
Yeah.
These are the things. Brajavas. Then always remember Krishna's sweet Lila Katha.
Some
And
devotees-
third condition is that you always associate with high class, exalted, Brajarasik, Sadhu and process.
Some devotees, they live in Vrindavan, but they're always thinking of the West.
Yeah. You are staying in West, you are thinking Vrindavan.
Yes.
Those who are staying in Vrindavan, they are staying in their house. Completely opposite. And I am looking also. Many also devotees, they are going to Vrindavan, then after a few years, they completely give up everything.
Yes, it's true.
I saw many also. Even in Brazil, many devotees, I saying, no, don't stay Vrindavan.
Why, Maharaj?
How we can explain?
Why it
Because
happens?
You commit offense in Vrindavan.
Not often. The Konishta Adhikari, what they think? Konishta Adhikari thinking, one day I will become Gopi.
Yeah, one day.
One day I will become Gopi.
Yeah.
I will need thousand births. But they are thinking, oh, if I go Vrindavan, then maybe I will be chanting holy names.
And you go to Vrindavan and you drink lassi.
Then when monkey will steal your glass,
Very disturbed.
then your mind will disturb.
Yeah.
People will be cheating there.
I lost my vision of Vrindavan.
Yeah, people also take all your money.
Yes.
That thing. Oh, you lose your faith. Then return back, then hey, nothing.
It doesn't work.
Yeah. I saw many also. Many Brazilians, going to Vrindavan. Then after a few years, I'm thinking completely what?
Give up everything.
Abandon.
Okay, I haven't him.
Also those who see go to Radhakund.
Or kya? Russian also money.
Russia.
Yeah, most.
Rasa.
Yeah. Mostly also are so much intoxicated. Brazilian people, Brazilian devotee and Russian devotee. Russian devotee topmost.
Top
Russia,
intoxicated. They
yeah.
want to have Siddha
Oh,
Deha.
Russia.
Russian.
Yeah.
They want to have Siddha Deha immediately.
Oh,
But why they are intoxicated, Maharaj?
They have some greed.
sentiments, greed,
They have some
Greed,
greed, but
material greed,
it's material greed.
not perfectly.
But that's the main fault
Want everything
of
now.
this.
Arey, step by step do bhajan and sadhana. So sometimes saying no.
Because the
Yeah.
patience has to be there. Upadeshamrita also.
No sadhu sangha, nothing.
Nishayat Devya.
Understand?
No sadhu sangha.
Because when they glories of Vrindavan, they're thinking, oh, Vrindavan very nice. I will stay there. Because we are saying, yesterday I sang, Vrindavan ki tote bole Radhe Radhe. Vrindavan parrot singing Radhe Radhe.
Yes.
Who say thinking, oh, I will also Radhe Radhe. But when in Vrindavan, where is the Radhe Radhe?
Where are the parrots?
Parrot.
You remember Maharaj, you said once in your lecture, you say you go to Vrindavan, one-way ticket. And one lady, she went to Vrindavan and she threw her ticket, her passport in the Yamuna.
Yeah. On American lady. One day I gave class in her house. If you go Vrindavan, one-way ticket. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada explained, everybody have to go Vrindavan one-way ticket. Without one-way ticket, Krishna will not give darshan. So he came, and he also came in Bisram Ghat, Jumna, and threw his passport and ticket. Then he told to Gurudev, Van Maharaj told in my house class, if you go Vrindavan, one-way ticket. So I am thinking I will stay in Vrindavan, so I throw my passport and ticket in Jumna. Gurudev, do you know meaning the one-way ticket means is what? This ticket is, then you can get back because electronic ticket.
Yes.
You can also go to the computer and get.
Yes, but passport.
And passport also, no. American passport, 24 hours they will give, send to you. Okay, I lost my passport. Some person thief.
Some terrorist took it.
It's
Not I lost my heart, I lost my passport.
They're
in
going to the
Vrindavan.
American embassy, then I give him the new passport. Understand? What he told? Our Bhagavad Maharaj, he wrote, he told me, that once I also lost my passport, within 24 hours, the American government gave me a new passport to me. He told me. Yeah, this thing. But Gurudev told, listen, what is the meaning of one-way ticket? One-way ticket means give up your all kinds of asakti. Asakti means attachment of the material things. Huh? Give up the attachment to husband, wife, children, wealth, money, everything. Cannot. So why? How possible? One-way ticket.
Some people also they give up that artificially.
Artificially, this is useless.
Because they're gonna get the new
Fanatically,
husband.
yeah.
Or this is nothing.
It's like the passport.
Artificial.
You can
There is
get-
one-way ticket means
Yes.
you have to give up everything. As our Rup Sanatan. Rup Sanatan, one-way ticket. They give up their position. They give it.
Yeah.
We cannot do this because we are not Rup Sanatan. Step by step. If I become crazy, mostly Kanishta Adhikari thinking this. Oh, I go to Vrindavan and one-way ticket. Go one-way ticket. Then after 1 year, oh my God, how to return back to my country?
But
Yeah.
they still manage.
Yeah. That time they are crying, this stuff. And yes, I know one Chili devotee also. She's staying in Vrindavan and she's crying. Maharaj.
Oh, you think she has attained Krishna Prema?
Krishna prayer.
But she's crying. 'cause
She's crying,
in
Maharaj,
Manhattan.
how will go back my country? I will go back. I will give because she came Vrindavan, one-way ticket. But visa finished and 5-year visa finished. He have to return back
Yes.
her country Chile, and they are very poor country,
No money.
no money. She's crying. This is thing. And some devotee helping, little helping. And
And she went back to Chile, and now she's happy.
now she's thinking never will go Vrindavan.
So for you to go to Vrindavan, we need a Guru blessing, Maharaj.
To Vrindavan,
Guru
You
permission,
go to Parikrama.
do parikrama
and then return.
with sadhu sangha. This is good. If you get sadhu sangha,
Yes,
so what to do?
Parikrama with sadhu sangha.
Yeah.
Not just go around, go over that hill alone. Something what to do.
Yes, some devotees are alone. Then time they also are cheat because Maya is everywhere. Understand? So Vrindavan people they cheat their money, cheat their everything. That time what will do?
What?
Roubar. Enganar.
Understand?
Engano o quê?
As pessoas que vão lá. As
So I'm
pessoas são
saying
enganadas
go
e ficam
Vrindavan, okay?
desiludidas.
Stay not more than 6 months. You have to after 6 months you have to
Return.
Go back.
return go back.
And we're too warm in Vrindavan in the
Yeah,
summer.
yeah, especially summer time. Very
Very hot.
Careful,
hot.
Maharaj.
Yeah. Hey, Haribol.
But they cannot go beyond. This is Maryada.
This is Marjal like Lakshman Rekha. You know Lakshman Rekha?
Yes.
The line of Lakshman. Lakshman he also told Sita Devi, don't you
Don't
cross
cross.
this
Line.
line, Lakshman Rekha.
But she crossed.
Yeah, so big problem coming.
Yes.
Yeah?
She crossed because she had a good heart. She thought this Brahmana wants help, so
They are
It was
saying
not
that
the true Sita, right?
some commentator explain ladies should not to break the rule. And
they should not go outside the lines.
Sita Devi she also did this. But that is her Leela.
Yeah,
Actually
yes.
Ravan kidnapped. Ravan he did not kidnap
Maya.
the real Sita. Maya is Ravan he kidnapped Maya Sita.
Maya.
But teaching is that Sita Devi she also to broke the law of the Lakshman Rekha.
She
Lakshman
was-
Rekha, that is the meaning of the Lakshman Rekha. Lakshman, he made the
Line.
Line.
line. That is called the Lakshman Guru Tattva.
With rice, right?
Guru Tattva. Lakshman Guru Tattva. It should,
Yes, but
Not
Lakshman Guru
cross.
Tattva.
Yeah.
So you should not to disobey order of Guru.
Yes.
Guru Tattva. This is the thing. You disobey the Guru Abagga, then you will suffer. What will do? Huh? Okay, we have to return back.
Yeah.
Gaur Premanand.
Hari Hari Bol. Jai Shri Prabhupada Maharaj ki. Jai Shri Gurudev ki.
What you did not understand? I always speaking in English, but no one also translate in.